Hey guys, welcome to Casablanca Hunter. Here is a Fanimation catalog that I got from the Fanimation Museum. And this is the catalog for this year, as you can see. So we're gonna start off here, and we'll just skip to the first page that already has fan there. So right here we got the OBV, or the OBV, I don't know how you pronounce that one. But this is a really nice fan. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool looking. The clear blades inside the cage. And then we have the Embrace. Embrace is a pretty nice looking fan, but it's nothing that special. There's what it looks like with all the light kit on. Let's go to the fourth page. Now this fan right here is, that Fanimation Amp is a really cool fan. Especially with the white and the satin brass. That looks really nice. And this is basically, it's basically like a spinner fan, so it's pretty interesting looking. It blows a very good amount of air, actually. Comes with a remote. Here is the Air Deluxe, which is nothing special. Wait, I need to check. Okay, that's the motor size of that one. But this is the Air Deluxe, which has a 153mm motor. This fan is honestly just nothing special. In general, they're probably one of their most boring models in general. Here's the Air Deluxe 52-inch one. I think I might have skipped a page. Oh yeah, I did. Here's the Quad. Quad's definitely, I think a better looking model, but still nothing I would personally get. But it's not bad looking. It looks pretty good actually. And actually the chrome one's kind of cool. I mean, chrome always looks pretty cool on any fan. And here's the 52-inch version, which this one has a 153 times 18mm motor instead of the 153 times 15mm motor. All right, make sure I'm not skipping a page. Sorry. Alright. Here's the Silano V2. I kind of like the looks of the Silano. It's a nice one. But this fan's also sold at Lowe's, except it's called the Airdrop at Lowe's. And of course, Harbor Breeze. It was also sold as a Harbor Breeze fan, known as the Platinum Portus, which had many problems. But this fan looks really nice, and I kind of like the it kind of gives somewhat of a 2000s modern vibe to it. And it has a 172 times 17 motor, which is pretty good. Right here we have the Doreen, or the Doran. I don't know how you pronounce that one, but it's a really nice fan. They have the polished nickel one. Actually, it is kind of a nice looking fan, but it's actually nothing that I would truly go for that much. All right, let's skip the page. Okay, now Lavon is a really nice looking fan. I really like the look of the Lavon, but it's a really expensive fan, and it cost over $600. Now, if I managed to find one of these on eBay, that would be pretty cool. And I could get one for less expensive, and maybe put it in a future house. But it's a really nice looking fan. I've always liked the Lavon. And mostly the 52-inch one in general. Right here we got the Kellen, which is really this is probably one of the most interesting Fanimation fans I've gotten. It's like a more modern designed version of the Brewmaster. This one's just really interesting looking because of the belt-driven feature. It's got a 188x25mm motor. And actually, I gotta check. Oh yeah, that one does too. The Lavon does as well. We got the outdoor fans. We have the Gleam. Okay, that Gleam is a pretty nice looking fan, actually. Kind of like the way that looks. And it's got a 82x30mm motor. Actually, I've never heard of that motor size before, but it's a very tiny fan. I wouldn't be surprised they would have that motor size. Alright. If I could just manage to turn this page without skipping another one. Here we have the Henry, which actually just looks like a normal ceiling fan, but inside a cage. This one just has a normal sized motor. Here we have the Quartet 153x20mm motor, which is kind of something else. Alright. Let's just turn the page now. Here's the Clinch, which looks like an M-brace but with a taller motor housing. And this one is kind of nice looking too. Here's the 52-inch Clinch, which this one has a 172x17mm motor. So I think it's definitely much better than the 42-inch one. Here is the Hue 44-inch, which is kind of nice looking. It kind of has like an older, almost like a 2000 style to it. Almost looks like a Minka Air concept, but kind of smaller. Minka Air concept 2, I meant. Here's the 52-inch Hue, which has a 153x20mm motor. There's the finishes it has. Alright. Here's the Cute. Or the Coot, and I don't know. But it's a DC motor fan. And it's a pretty nice looking one, actually. I know Cole made a video of this fan, and it's very silent. Right, here's the Coot 44-inch one. Actually, let me see. Was the other one 52 inches? I didn't look. Okay, nope. That's just a 44-inch one, and then this is the flush version. That's also 44-inch. So I guess it's pretty cool looking. I guess, especially the white and satin brass one and the black and satin brass one look really nice. Here's the 52-inch version of the Coot. And then, that 52-inch Coot flush. Let's see what the next one is. If I manage to not skip a page, that'd be nice. You know, I'm gonna pause this so I can try doing this. Here is the Coot 5, which is, you know, the 5-blade version of the Coot. And I think after this, that should be over. Nope, the Coot 5-blade flush. Guessing this is a kind of a popular model. This version blows 6,224 CFM on high speed, so it's probably one of their more powerful models, for sure. It's not one of my favorite ones, but I guess it looks nice sometimes, somewhere. Now here we got the Sculpt Air, or the Sculpt Air. It's the Sculpt Air. I thought it was supposed to be like a different spelling of sculpture, but it's the Sculpt Air. This one's really nice looking. It's got fortunately it's only got a 153 x 20mm motor, but it's a really cool looking fan with the clear blades. Especially the chrome one looks really cool. And the white one in the clear, that looks amazing too. Here we have the Glide Air, which is kind of nice looking too. This one also has a DC motor. And it's got, you know, the brushed nickel and black one looks really cool. And also just the all brushed nickel one. Here we got the Torch, which has an uplight, which is a really nice looking one as well. Here we got the Xeno. This one only comes in one finish. It's got a 1 in 8 x 25 motor, which is pretty good. Here we got the Xeno, the wet version. So the outdoor version. Here's it's gonna be the Zonix collection. But yeah, the Zonix is a really nice one. Probably one of my favorite of the Fanimation fans, for sure. I really like the way the Zonix looks. And then the Zonix wet 52-inch one. I mean, I really like the oil rubbed bronze one with the cherry blades. Here we got the Spitfire. Spitfire is a really nice one. It's a really good one as well. Wait, I gotta check really quickly. Okay, so the Zonix 52-inch one still only has a 153 x 18 motor. But here we got the Spitfire. Spitfire is very nice. Especially, I really like the galvanized with the cherry blades. I think that is. That one's probably my favorite one. It's got a 188 x 25 motor, so it's a really nice one. And here's the Spitfire flush mount. Also a really nice one. Here is the 60-inch version of the Spitfire. It's got all the same finishes, just 60 inches. And this one, here's what it looks like with the light kit. And the Spitfire 60-inch flush, which is also, really cool one. And the Spitfire DC Custom. And it's got a DC 153 x 25 FS motor. And here's a Spitfire DC flush. And I assume that's probably the last of all the DC motor Spitfires. I don't know. I believe that's the last one. Alright, I'm gonna have to pause this again so I can change the page. Alright, oh never mind. We got the Spitfire DC 72-inch one, which blows that blows 10,988 CFM on high speed. That's actually insane. Let me see this one first. How much did this one blow? Okay. This might be Fanimation's most powerful fan right here in terms of airflow. The Spitfire DC 72-inch flush. It's also a really nice one too. Alright. And this has to be the last Spitfire there is. Sorry, my mom had to talk to me for a second. But, yeah, there's the Spitfire DC, 84-inch, which blows 12,900 CFM on high speed. Alright, that's really something else. And another flush, 40-inch version. Don't tell me you can get bigger than this. Oh, it can. It can get even bigger than that. But why does this one only blow? Why does this one only blow 2,686 CFM on high speed? When, oh wait. Hold on a second. Oh wait, here's, I skipped a page again. They definitely made a mistake. Here's the Spitfire DC 96-inch version with the down rod. This one blows 12,410 CFM on high speed, which that's less air than the 84-inch one. And then this one right here, this one, I feel like they got the CFM on this one wrong. It should not be that much on a fan like this. It's definitely more than that. They definitely got that one wrong. Alright. Here's the Lavon Dc Custom. They got the 52-inch version, which is really nice. Especially the galvanized version. I really like the galvanized one. Here's did I skip a page? I don't know. I think I want to. Yeah, I definitely skipped a page. Here's the 64-inch version. And the 72-inch version. And here's the wrap. I actually saw this one at the Fanimation Museum in there, so I got to see that one run. Here's the 44-inch version, which is a pretty nice looking fan actually. Here's the 48-inch version, the 52-inch version, the 56-inch version. There's a lot of sizes of this one. 60-inch version. Yeah, this thing has more sizes than the Hampton Altura. 64-inch version. 72-inch version. The 84-inch version. I don't think I skipped a page today. Okay, there's no 96-inch version. Okay, that's good. All right, here's the Tri-Air. 44-inch version of the Tri-Air. The 48-inch version. Here's the 52-inch version now. And the 56-inch version. The 60-inch version. The 64-inch version. The 72-inch version. And the 84-inch version. It's a lot of sizes. We got the Odin now. Wonder how many sizes this one has. So it starts off at the 56-inch version. And then a 64-inch one. A 72-inch one. An 84-inch version. And then here's the Stellar. The 56-inch one. I mean, this one's kind of nice. The brush nickel with the black. That one kind of looks cool. And the industrial-like blades on this one is pretty nice as well. This one blows a lot of air. It's got a DC motor. Here's the 64-inch version. And the 72-inch version. And the 84-inch version. And the 96-inch version. I doubt it can get any bigger than that. Here's the PC-DC NL. Kind of a weird name, but this is kind of a nice one. It's got industrial-like blades, so it's kind of interesting looking. It's got a DC motor, but it's a pull chain operated instead of a remote control one, which is pretty interesting looking. Here's the PC-DC, the L version, which I don't know what the difference is, but I'll have to look at it after. And here's the Edgewood, one of the more popular Fanimation models, which has a 153 x 18mm motor. So that's the 44-inch Edgewood. 52-inch Edgewood, which has a 188 x 22mm motor. It's a really nice one as well. The 60-inch version, 188 x 25mm motor. And the 72-inch version, which has a 212 x 35mm motor, which is bigger than the motor in a Hunter original, except that fan's 52 inches, so it's probably more powerful than this fan right here. And here's the wind point. Yeah, this is where all the real good stuff comes right here. Wind point is one of my favorite ones for sure. And here is the Islander. Definitely my favorite Fanimation fan, for sure. Or one of my favorites. And here is the Palisade, which is a really interesting one as well. I actually thought they didn't make that one anymore, but they still do. And the Brewmaster, which is a belt-driven fan. I've always really liked that one. Here is the portable fans. Well, I think there's just one portable fan right here. If I can figure out how to get this page to turn correctly. Here it is. The Arden, which is the only portable fan they have. Here are the blades. These work for the Islander and the wind point. The Palisade. Oh wait, actually, the wind point already has blades. Sorry, it's the Islander, the Brewmaster, and the Palisade all have these blades. Here's the light kits. Light kits are pretty good as well. I mean, I wish they kind of had more options besides standard-looking ones, but I mean, I guess the different type of schoolhouse light globes they have are pretty interesting. Here's the controls. Here's more controls right here. And here are the different, down rods and stuff. Here's all the different finishes they have. And the blade finishes as well. And here's the museum right here, which I already went to. That's really that. Thanks for watching this video, and bye.